Good morning, everybody. 4/28/2020. We have a 1 hour tape on the Dow. Let me pull this over here with where it's almost hit our target. We talked about this the last couple of days, and we have. And we talked about it coming right over here to 24,604. And today's high, as we will start to selling, was 24,512. So just figure we're about 90 points away from it. And once again, I'm just going to give everybody a warning. And I warned all you people in the past, and you didn't want to listen. Well, guess what? You have a chance to listen now. For the people that do come across the video that do have money, that do have trading accounts, that do have the need for risk management, and I go on and on and on and on and on. The skills you don't have. The Dow has hit almost our target. We called the bottom, and we did. And we have all the live videos and all the big money that went right along with it. And it doesn't matter to me what you think. We've covered it live better than anyone out here. We are in earnings season. It is upon you with Google after the closing bell today. The Fed has pumped about $10 trillion into the system. The welfare recipients will not be sustainable. Free money is not sustainable. And it's not. It's not prosperity. Free money is not growth. I don't care what any of you people say or any economist in the world. I am an expert on the economies. And I'm telling you, this whole thing about the virus and what it's coming into, about our markets, and about the Fed and the government putting themselves in the sewer. We have bankruptcy courts in the United States that they can utilize. Instead of throwing out all that money, that's got to be paid for. And it will. And there's going to be a heavy price that's going to be paid moving forward. You will not beg, borrow, steal, and pump your way out of this. They're the ones that created the problem. They didn't create the virus. No. That's just an event. And we were so overbought in these markets as they pumped and dumped them with their machines, and Humpty Dumpty fell off the wall, and they got burnt for all of their illicit scam ways and all the crap they do in these exchanges that you retail public people don't have a clue. And you don't. You might think you know because of whatever you're trying to put reasoning in your mind. And I'm telling you, stocks are overvalued again in the bear market rally. We have almost hit my target on the Dow. I will update the S&P 500. And I will tell you, you can put America back to work. There's nothing wrong with that. But I will tell you one thing right now, that this virus is out here. And there's going to be another big round of news spreading it around. And you know why? Because people can't control themselves and their life is at risk with this virus. I know it is with me because I'm diabetic. And when they open up, think I'm going to run out to a restaurant? Crazy. Yeah, I can get pickup. But I will still wear my mask everywhere I go. And I will continue to wear my gloves on any grocery store I ever go into. But I get my food delivered and I have it wiped down before I bring it into my house anyway. It's all about risk management. Your life is at risk. Your finances are one thing. Me making you a lot of money is the easy thing. But keeping your life is worth more than money. And if you did get the virus and die, let's hope you go to heaven. And that would be your final resting peace in the world. And for some people, that's the greatest thing. And for some, it's not. Nonetheless, the Dow Jones has just about hit my target. I told you about what would happen over here. I told you about the rallies. I told you about the pullbacks. This is a daily chart on the Dow. Yeah, I'm giving you a good update, all right. And we're in earnings season, and right now we're selling off in the NASDAQ. We're selling off in that NASDAQ 100, and that S&P 500 hit my target this morning, and I bought 100 put contracts on that S&P 500, and I'll make $300,000. And I will tell you, prosperity and economic growth is not sustainable when you are trying to buy it. You hit my target on the Dow almost within 90 points. There is the mathematical line, and now it's time for the second round of people to get toasted.